Hey, are you interested in what is cloud storage? Well, this GCP service is a game changer in how we save, access, and secure our digital treasures. Join us as we dive deep into its capabilities and how it can be a part of your digital strategy. Cloud storage is the invisible vault of the internet, an innovation that has transformed data storage into a service that's both ubiquitous and user-friendly. Cloud storage is a service for storing your binary objects in Google Cloud. An object is an immutable piece of data consisting of a file of any format, and you can store objects in containers called buckets. By the way, bucket names should be globally unique. Transferring data to the cloud is a straightforward affair with a variety of tools at your disposal. APIs allow for programmatic interactions, making them ideal for developers. The GSUtil tool is a versatile option for those comfortable with command line interfaces, perfect for bulk operations and automation. For a more web UI approach, the Google Cloud Console is your gateway to managing data with simple clicks. Did you know that questions about GCP Cloud Storage are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests. By using the promo code SMARTCloud44, you can get up to a 30% discount. Check the links in the description. Selecting the right cloud storage type is critical. It's about balancing the frequency of access with the associated costs. Let's break down the costs and availability for each type. Standard storage, with no minimum storage duration or retrieval fees. It's designed for data that you're constantly using and updating, offering more than 99.999% availability in multi-regions and dual regions, and 99.999% in single regions. Whether it's for active websites or streaming services, it ensures your data is always on hand. Nearline Storage, a more budget-conscious option, requires a minimum storage duration of 30 days. It's perfect for data you access roughly monthly, like backups or periodic reports, with 99.95% availability in multi-regions and dual regions, and 99.9% in single regions. Coldline Storage offers a sweet spot for rarely accessed data with a 90-day minimum storage duration. It promises 99.95% availability in multi-regions and dual regions, and 99.9% in single regions, ideal for quarterly financials or year-end archives. For the longest retention at the lowest cost, Archival Storage is ideal with a 365-day minimum duration. It maintains the standard 99.95% availability in multi-regions and dual regions, and 99.9% in single regions, making it suitable for data like legal records or scientific research that needs to be preserved over years. Object Lifecycle management is about cost efficiency. It ensures that your data is stored in the most economical way by automatically moving it to lower cost classes as it ages or becomes less frequently accessed. Object versioning is a protection for your data, keeping it intact across its evolution and changes. This feature is indispensable for critical data that requires a fail-safe against human error or corruption. Cloud storage implements encryption on the server side as a standard by default, securing your data before it's saved onto the disk and without any extra fees. You can use customer-managed encryption keys or customer-supplied encryption keys. In addition, you have no limits to using client-side encryption to protect your data before moving it to the bucket. Signed URLs are the perfect combination of accessibility and security, giving you the ability to grant temporary, controlled access to your cloud-stored files. They are especially useful for securely sharing large files or facilitating collaboration on a global scale without permanent, direct access to your data. Cloud storage stands as a global, secure, and economical framework for your data storage strategy. It simplifies data management and ensures that no matter the temperature of your data, whether frequently accessed or stored for the long term, it's priced effectively and ready for use. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.